our new SwiftKey tablet prototype. And what we do with SwiftKey is we try and understand language, how words relate to one another, how people structure sentences and messages. And we use that to offer you predictions and spelling corrections based on the context of the sentence you're in. So here we've taken the keyboard on the tablet, we split it in half so you can reach all of the keys easily with your thumbs. And at the top here we have the 3 predictions, and that's what SwiftKey thinks you want to say next, with the word in the middle being the most likely one. So as you're typing, because it's always looking at the context, it knows what to correct you to. So at the start of the message, if you type something which looks kind of like hello but you make some spelling mistakes, it knows you're at the beginning of the message. It learns your own writing style, so it knows that I use the greeting hello quite often, and so it can correct you on the fly. So we don't only learn the types of language you use, we also learn the way you interact with the keyboard, so the mistakes you make. So say on this keyboard we've tried to make everything in range of your thumbs, but if you are having trouble reaching the Y key, for example, because your thumbs were short, and hitting the J key, that's something the keyboard will learn. Over time it'll adapt, it'll know that's the sort of mistake you make, then it'll compensate for it, so your predictions are always very accurate. So we do this, I'm demoing this now in English. We support multiple languages. We've covered most of Europe so far. At the moment you can choose 2 languages at the same time, so as I was showing you, you can type in English. You can also now, because I've got French enabled, you can immediately switch to French. It detects the language that you're using and offers you corrections and predictions based on that.
So it's just an app, you can download it?
Yeah, so we launched the mobile version on the Android market last September. We've had 700,000 downloads since then. We won an award here 2 days ago, the Mobile Premier Awards. We were named the best app across all platforms. We're pre-installed on the Ink phones, which have just been announced. So things are going really well. We're talking now with kind of all the major OEMs and network operators to try and get SwiftKey pre-installed on as many devices as we can.
And the tablet version is already available?
No, so this is our prototype version. Google invited us over to Mountain View to create this in time for the Honeycomb launch. So the tablet version is early stages. We'll be releasing a beta of it and then bringing it to market in due course.